Hello, so for this assignment we're going to go to Scratch and you need to log into your account. I already am. I'm going to click on the My Stuff folder in the top right where I can see all my projects, and I'm going to click New Project. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is change my sprite. The cat is the default, but I do not want to use the cat, so I'm going to click on Choose a Sprite and choose something else that I like. And this is how you change sprites. This is how you can change their costumes. So the bat has 4 different costumes, so you can do different things. I'll show you later how to change between costumes, but for now, you guys can just choose which costume you like best. And you're also able to draw onto the character, or even just create your own character. It's supposed to be a heart. Okay, I'm going to go back to code, and I'm also going to start by adjusting the backdrops. Great. All right, so for this assignment, you are going to be using these 10 blocks. And I think it is easiest if you just start by dragging all of those blocks onto like this frame. Okay, so I have all my blocks pulled onto the frame, and now I'm ready to get started. And I want you to be really creative in this project. Like, you don't have to follow this exact order that I'm doing, and I should not see your final project be a bat on a baseball field. But there is sort of an order to arrange some of these blocks. So the first one that we need that will definitely be at the top is the when the green flag is clicked. So when the green flag is clicked, the bat is going to do something. And when my green flag is clicked, I want the bat to go to the specific location. So I want the bat to start maybe like right here. And if we look down here, we can see that the x-axis, the horizontal one, is at -133. So I'm just going to copy and paste that over here. And the y-axis, the vertical one, is at 37. So I'm going to copy and paste that into the y-axis. And you guys know, so like positive numbers are at the top for the y-axis, negative numbers are to the left for the x-axis. So as soon as that green flag is clicked, wherever my bat is, he will automatically go to that location. And when that green flag is clicked, I also want my bat to become a different size. So right now he's at 100%. I'm going to make him be a little bit bigger at 120%. Like that. Okay, and after all those things happen, he is going to appear, because later on I'm going to add in a hide that will make him disappear, so I want to actually see him when I click the green flag. Okay, so now I'm going to put in a repeat, and repeat 10 times is so many, I don't want it to last forever. I'm just going to change it to 2. You guys change it to whatever you want. And once my bat appears, I'm going to have him glide around the bases. So he'll go to this base maybe. And I'm just going to copy and paste those numbers again. Nope. And I have the setting for glide. So he's going to take 1 second to get there. So that means that he'll go pretty fast, but not super fast. If I make the number bigger, he'll go slower. And once he gets there, he will say hello for 1 second. You guys can change hello to something else, it doesn't matter. And after that, we'll wait maybe like 0.4 seconds. And I think I'm going to have him glide somewhere else. He's going to glide to home base. So I'm going to add a second glide block in, and I'm going to have him glide over here. And once he gets there, he is going to play a sound, the owl sound. That's a little weird for a bat. If we go into sounds up here, you can change the sound, and you can also choose a completely different sound. So your bat could play the guitar, up to you. I'm just going to stick with this one to make it go faster. And once he does all of that 2 times, I'm going to have him hide, and then it'll be finished. So, okay, let's see what this looks like. So I click the green flag, he starts over there, he moves to the third base, he says hello, he moves back there, he makes his owl sound, he repeats it twice, so he moves back there, says hello again, moves back there, and once it's repeated twice, he hides. So when you guys are doing yours, like again, I should not see a bat on a baseball field. You guys be creative with this and also figure out how you can make your sprite interact with the background. So this doesn't really make sense, right? He's just going back and forth to these bases. You guys figure out how to like actually make him interact and make it like a real thing. Okay, but I'm just gonna speed along. When you are done, you're gonna click share. And I was able to share my project. It's only gonna work if you've already verified your email address. And make sure that you change the title. Add instructions. So right now we want to add instructions for what to do. So click on the green flag, and we also want to add instructions for headphones. So the bat did make a little sound at the end. So either use headphones or mute your volume. And to turn this in, you're going to copy the link down here. This is it. Or just click copy link, and you're going to paste that link into Google Classroom to turn this in.